Family Consumer Sciences is a career and technical education program that provides students skills that follow the industry sector of human services, hospitality and tourism, education and training, and visual arts and design. Our program starts with the foundational class of career pathways and continues with classes that develop soft skills for the workplace. These classes are life management and the relationships class. Catering and ProStart give students a taste of the hospitality and tourism industry by running a business and learning management skills through ProStart competitions. Our program also appeals to those interested in careers that follow the visual arts and design pathway. Fashion design and interior design classes challenge students to apply their skills to real-world innovations. Demand for trained educators is on the rise, so students start our program with child and adolescent development, decide on a career fit in education exploration, and conclude with the college credit course Teacher Cadet.